The SpaceX way, always shocking, always forward. SpaceX loves to break the rules. They see old ways and ask why. Then they build something new. This is their core identity. They are not just a rocket company, they are a revolution in progress. Many doubted them at first. Few are doubting them now. Their track record speaks volumes. They made rocket landings routine. Rockets used to be disposable. SpaceX changed that entire paradigm. Their Falcon 9 boosters return to Earth. They land on ships or land. Then they fly again and again. This was science fiction. SpaceX made it science fact. It slashed launch costs dramatically. Now, Starship is their focus. It is a colossal vehicle. It dwarfs all rockets before it. Its mission is even bigger. It aims for Mars and beyond. To achieve this, innovation is key. Every part of Starship is rethought. This relentless drive comes from the top. Elon Musk pushes his teams hard. What exactly is hot staging? Imagine a two-stage rocket. The first stage is the big booster. It provides the initial powerful push. The second stage sits on top. It carries the payload further. Staging is when these two parts separate. The first stage has done its job. The second stage must then ignite its own engines. This sequence is vital. Cold staging is common in Western rockets. The first stage engines shut down. The stages separate cleanly. Then, after a brief coast, the second stage engines ignite. This is seen as safer. It avoids the upper stage firing into the lower stage. Hot staging is different. It is more aggressive. Soviet engineers often favored it. With hot staging, the upper stage engines ignite before the first stage engines fully shut down. This provides a continuous thrust. There is no coasting period. The second stage gets an extra push. SpaceX looked at hot staging. They decided to reinvent it for Starship. Their method is uniquely SpaceX. It is bold and ambitious. Starship's upper stage doesn't just ignite early, it ignites while still nestled within the booster. This is a key difference. The Super Heavy booster has a vented interstage. This is a new, crucial design element. This interstage is essentially a ring. It is added to the top of the booster. It is not a solid structure. It has large vents around its circumference. When Starship's upper stage Raptor engines ignite, their exhaust plumes expand. These hot gases must go somewhere. The vents allow them to escape outwards. This prevents pressure buildup. It protects the booster below. The Super Heavy booster's engines are still firing. Some of them are, at least. The upper stage engines light up. For a moment, both stages are thrusting. Section 4, the big boost. Why this fiery method matters. Why go through all this trouble? The benefits are substantial. Elon Musk quantifies it clearly. Hot staging could add about 10% more payload capacity. This means Starship can carry more to orbit. For a rocket already designed for massive loads, this is huge. It means more satellites per launch. It means heavier components for lunar bases, or more supplies for Mars missions. This performance gain is crucial. It comes without needing bigger tanks, it comes without adding more engines. It is an efficiency gain. SpaceX is squeezing more power from the existing hardware. This is smart engineering. It aligns with their philosophy. They want to maximize capability, they want to minimize waste. Every extra kilogram to orbit counts. Greater efficiency can also lead to cost effectiveness. If each launch carries more, the cost per kilogram drops. This makes space more accessible. It opens up new possibilities. Section 5. Trial by fire. Challenges on the path to orbit. Implementing hot staging is not easy. It requires precise engineering and meticulous planning. It presents significant engineering challenges, pushing the boundaries of current technology. The forces involved are immense, withstanding the sheer power of the launch. The top of the Super Heavy booster must withstand the blast, enduring extreme conditions. The Raptor engines of the upper stage ignite just meters away, creating a high-stress environment. The heat and pressure are extraordinary, testing the limits of materials and design. Structural integrity is a major concern, ensuring the rocket can handle these forces. The booster must not be damaged, as any flaw could be catastrophic. Managing the exhaust plumes is critical, directing them safely away from the vehicle. The vented interstage is the solution, allowing gases to escape efficiently. But its design must be perfect, with no room for error. The vents must be large enough to handle the flow. They must direct the flow correctly, ensuring no damage occurs. If not, hot gas could damage the booster, compromising the mission. Or it could affect the upper stage engines, leading to potential failure. Aerodynamics during separation are also complex, requiring precise control. The vehicle must remain stable and controllable, even under extreme conditions. SpaceX uses its iterative approach, constantly refining their designs. They test, learn, and improve, making each iteration better than the last. Early Starship test flights provided crucial data informing future designs. Integrated Flight Test 2, or IFT-2, successfully demonstrated hot staging, proving the concept. This was a major milestone, marking a significant achievement. IFT-3 further refined the process, bringing SpaceX closer to their goals. Section 6. Elon's Anthem, to make life multiplanetary. Elon Musk's vision is the driving force behind this monumental endeavor. He is not just building rockets, he is crafting the future. His ultimate goal is to make humanity a multiplanetary species, ensuring our survival. He has reiterated this mission many times, emphasizing its importance. The future of humanity is going to bifurcate in two distinct directions. Either it's going to become multiplanetary, expanding our horizons, or it's going to remain confined to one planet, vulnerable to existential threats. Eventually there's going to be an extinction event if we don't expand. This is his ultimate motivation, his driving force. Starship is the vehicle for this grand vision, a beacon of hope. It is meticulously designed for Mars, our potential new home. Hot staging is a crucial piece of that intricate puzzle. That extra 10% payload capacity can make a significant difference. It means more cargo to Mars per trip, enhancing our capabilities. It means faster establishment of a self-sustaining colony, a new beginning. Musk often emphasizes this need for increased capability and efficiency. Starship is the key to making life multiplanetary, he has stated unequivocally. Every design decision serves this grand goal, this monumental vision. Musk's statements reveal his deep thinking and unwavering commitment. Regarding hot staging, he explained its benefits simply and clearly. It's about a 10% increase in payload to orbit. Worth doing indeed. Section 7. Lighting the fuse Starship's impact on tomorrow's space. The dawn of a new era in space exploration is upon us. Successful hot staging on Starship is a game changer. This advanced technique allows for more efficient use of fuel and resources. It is more than just a technical feat, it represents a monumental step forward in our quest to explore the cosmos. It signifies a leap in rocket capability. The technology behind Starship is pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. It directly impacts the future of space travel. The innovations we see today will shape the missions of tomorrow. With increased payload capacity, Starship can do more. It can carry heavier and more complex instruments into space. It can deploy larger telescopes. These telescopes will allow us to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. It can build bigger space stations. These stations will serve as hubs for future space missions and research. It can support ambitious lunar missions like Artemis. These missions aim to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon. This innovation contributes to SpaceX's core mission. The goal is to make space travel more accessible and sustainable. Making humanity multiplanetary requires massive lift capability. Starship is designed to meet this challenge head-on. It needs it to be affordable and reliable. Cost-effective solutions are key to long-term space exploration. Hot staging helps Starship deliver on this promise. It ensures that missions are both efficient and effective. It makes the dream of Martian cities feel closer. The vision of humans living on Mars is becoming more tangible. Each successful test flight builds confidence. It proves that our technological advancements are on the right track. It shows that these ambitious goals are within reach. The dedication and hard work of the SpaceX team are paying off. The path is difficult, but progress is visible. Every challenge overcome brings us one step closer to our goals. SpaceX's approach also inspires the entire industry. Their success encourages other companies to innovate and push boundaries. When one company pushes boundaries, others notice. This healthy competition drives the entire industry forward. They may be forced to innovate too. This leads to a cascade of advancements across the field. This can lead to a faster pace of development. The speed at which new technologies are emerging is unprecedented. It can spark new ideas across aerospace. Collaboration and innovation are at the heart of this progress. The adoption of reusable rockets is one example. SpaceX led the way. This innovation has revolutionized the industry, making space travel more sustainable and cost-effective.